Do you want to learn how to make text appear behind the person? Using CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you how to use CapCut and make the text appear behind the person. I hope you enjoy watching it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified of new videos. CapCut is a popular video editing app that allows you to create and edit videos with ease. To make text appear behind a person in a video using CapCut, you can follow these steps. Open the CapCut app and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to edit into your project. Tap on the plus icon and select text to add a new text layer to your video. Type the text you want to display behind the person in the video. Drag the text to match the video. Move the text layer so that it is positioned where you want it to appear on the screen. You can make your adjustment to the text by clicking in Style option. Select the style, effect, and animation of the text. Export your video by tapping on the Export button. Import the same video again and click Overlay to add video. Import the same video without text and adjust the ratio to match the first video. Tap on Overlay and select Cutout, then remove background. Preview your video to see the final result. Once you're happy with the result, export your video by tapping on the Export button. Thanks for watching.